Hi, my name is Sonia. I'd like to offer you a little pocket practice for your back. We'll start in hands and knees or on elbows and knees if it doesn't feel good to be on the hands. From here, on an exhalation, releasing back towards child's pose, elbows releasing down, sit bones lengthening back towards the heels. And on an inhalation, lengthening forwards, drawing the shoulder blades down and together on the back. And on an exhalation, releasing back, feeling that stretch for the low back. Moving nice and gently, evenly in rhythm with your breath. And next time you go back into your child's pose, you can stay there, enjoying the stretch for the low back. If child's pose doesn't feel good to you, you can always come and have a stretch in puppy dog pose. Pausing in your child's pose, you might like to rock from side to side. And then we'll make our way onto our belly for Cobra Pose. You can have more support by having the arms in a W position. The hands in line with the shoulders, the elbows hugging in towards the body. Or if you'd like, you can have the arms down alongside you. So choosing the arm position that works best for you. On an inhalation, you're going to gently internally rotate the thighs in towards one another. Lift the chest off the ground, draw the shoulder blades down and together on the back. And on an exhalation, lower down, either releasing the forehead to the ground or turning the head to the side for a stretch in the neck. And on an inhalation, grounding down through the hips, draw the low belly to the spine to help you lift up, supporting the low back as you lift up. And on an exhalation, slowly lowering down. If you're turning the head turns to the other side. You can always incorporate lifting the arms off the ground to strengthen the upper back a little more. Make it a little more strengthening. Inhaling, lifting up. Exhaling, lowering down. Give yourself permission to relax completely at the bottom. If you'd like to make it even stronger, you can pause in that lifted position, taking a few breaths there. Continue to draw the low belly to the spine, shoulder blades drawing down and together on the back. And continuing to release out, relaxing completely at the bottom. A little stronger still is to have the leg lifting off the ground as you lift up. You can start with one leg at a time. And see how that feels on your low back, the leg lengthening back and up. Or maybe you'd like to do both legs. Gentle internal rotation of the thighs so you have some stability through the pelvis, the lower core muscles. And after about 4 to 6 repetitions of your Cobra, pause, allow yourself to relax completely. You can rest your forehead on your hands or your forearms. And then when you feel ready to stretch out your low back, come up, back up to elbows and knees or hands and knees and move in and out of that wheel pose once again, Chakravarkasana. On an exhalation, releasing back to child's pose, getting a stretch for your low back. And on an inhalation, coming forwards back to hands and knees. Shoulder blades drawing down and together on the back. And doing about 4 to 6 repetitions of these, or if you feel really tight, doing more. And after a few repetitions, you can pause in your child's pose or puppy dog. And enjoy the stretch for the low back. You might like to rock from side to side once again here. And that's one short little practice that can support your low back.